Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make or type bold text on Discord in your mobile phone. So let's start. First, open your Discord application. Then, go to the server that you want. In here, select the text channel where you want to type a message. Below in this message box, I will type in first something that is not bold so you will see the difference when I type a bold text. For example, I will type in good morning, then send it. Now, if you wanted to send a bold word or a bold phrase, the only thing you need to do is add two asterisk symbols both at the beginning and at the end of the text. So for example, let's type in first two asterisk symbol, then I'll type the same phrase. I'll type in again good morning. Then type in two asterisk symbols again. Then type send. So there you go. You can now see that I made a bold text. You can see the difference between the original text and the bold text. A bold text is very useful since you can use it when you are announcing an important message or if you want to make emphasis or to highlight a specific text. So that's it for our video. If you wanted to know how to make a bold text on Discord using your mobile phone, that is the easiest way I know how. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, kindly give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much, and I'll see you on the next video.